Hello everybody, I am in a Bangkiron public market. I am selling different kinds of Bombay now. This is only 5 pesos. This is only 2 pesos. And I have also different kinds of this is my business here. And I will be giving you for only 150 Mama Sita for only 150. And also this is my caretaker. Hello caretaker, how are you? How is you are selling that is this is garlic. This garlic is only 1 peso per pieces. 1 peso per pieces, and then if you want wholesale, we will give you 150 wholesale, and then you will sell it for 300 pesos, and you can have a lot of income for this. This is very booming business here. This is very beautiful business. So start a business right now selling onion and garlic. What can you say she is the slicing of the onion and garlic?
No comment.
What can comment now because you are already on the video. Who's baby? Okay, baby. Thank you very much. If you have a time, just go here in the Bangkiron public market, and we will selling different kinds of herbs and spices. We have also violet egg. This violet egg came from the chicken, which is a murdered chicken. That is why the egg is violet. Violet egg is very. How much is this?
12 pesos.
Only 12 pesos. 12 pesos violet egg. It will help you to have boost your immune system. Thank you very much, Cargo. Thank you very much, Cargo. Thank you. I'm already here. And finally, I have this is my one of my business. Hello, how are you?
I love you too.
I just say, how are you? You are selling incense. So if there is a bad spirit in your country, in your house, just go to Junior. How much is your incense?
220 per kilo.
Oh, that's very expensive. You have to cut it down so that it will become 150. Where is the incense? This is incense. And also, if you want to buy for your earthworm, what is earthworm? If you want a very beautiful soil for your crops. Thank you very much, Junior. Just head bang your head. I'm not a Korean and I'm Indian. I will go here. Do you see this? This is for babies. If your babies is only 1 to 3 years old, you have to put this one so that no bad spirit will go to your baby. Thank you. Your baby will no exorcism. No vomiting. How are you? Thank you very much for cleaning Bangkiron. This is our cleaners for today. Hello, this is B-Wings. How are you? How is the feeling of selling something in Bangkiron?
Okay.
Oh. Okay, yeah. She looks like a Korean, but I am Indian. How much is your onion and garlic?
120.
120? Make it 150 so that you can have income. Oh, I have a lot of say. Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. I am live here in Bangkiron. Thank you very much, B-Wings. So, thank you for this. She gave me in exchange of the ube. What is that?
Kape.
Kape. I have onion and garlic. This is my favorite. This is, you have to shake your head. Shake your head, shake your head, shake. You're crazy now. I will go here to Lang Lang. This is one of my favorite seller here in Bangkiron. How are you, Lang Lang?
I'm okay.
Your customer is giving you money right now.
Yes.
Uh,
Good morning. What can I do for you?
how much is your onion and garlic?
My onion is 75 per kilo.
Like, how 75 per kilo is
Yes.
very affordable.
Yes.
So maybe your onion is very small.
Yes. Good. If you buy the sibuyas,
You cannot sugakon my English, so don't worry. They have a lot of customer. It's very busy, very affordable onion and garlic. Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you. I go now. Lots of customer for this month. This is Johnny Bravo. How are you, Johnny Bravo? And who made your haircut? Who made your haircut? We will imprison that. Thank you very much. I gotta go now. Thank you, baby. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
You have the what is this color pink? Curing salt. Curing salt. If you have a disease and you have the germs in your body, you have curing salt. And what is this? The cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
What is this?
Bukayo.
Bukayo. This is bukayo. Yellow bukayo. You need to fry this to become brown. This is yellow. This is very. Do you see the seller?
Hipa na hipa.
Hipa be bukayo. How much? What is this?
Kani, star anis.
Star anise. What is what's on the back? Oh, the back is at the back. Oh, Sumaya is there. How are you, Sumaya?
Fine.
I'm fine. It's very a long time. Why are you hiding? Do you want to pay your 5-6 now? Give me your 20 pesos. 5-6. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, come on, Sumayo. Oh, Sumayo, gusto dulu.